Hey everyone, this is Vivek Bharatha. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video on YouTube. Over the past few months, I have been going through some positive events in my life, and because of that, I couldn't really focus on YouTube. But I really want to thank each and everyone who has supported me throughout this journey from the beginning till this day. Your warm comments and constant support truly motivated me to push my limits, build better projects, and eventually turn them into a valuable courses. It honestly means a lot to me. Thank you so much for all the support again. I know the subscriber count is around 3000, but still this number is very big to me because I wasn't expecting this much. Hoping in the new year I'll be pushing more valuable content and also maybe into the AI stuff as well. So let me know in the comments if you're really interested into AI domain so that I can cover those concepts as well. If you are new to this channel or you have just stumbled upon to this video, I would highly recommend to watch Kafka series and also Microservices Masterclass series. I believe these playlists will really help you understand many important concepts in clear and practical way. Now to kickstart 2026, I want to give you a small challenge. This is a question I often ask in interviews. It's a simple problem, especially if you are working with JavaScript. Think about how would you define a function that exactly works like map function on arrays. You really don't have to stop there. You can also try implementing filter, reduce and so on, like any other array-based JavaScript functions. These functions look simple, but they really test how well you understand the basics. This challenge helps you think through the problem and shows whether you can break it down and solve step by step. One small request, please don't use AI for this challenge. It's a very basic problem. If you can think for 5 minutes, you can easily solve it. Focus on understanding the core idea behind how these functions work. That's all from my side. I hope you had a wonderful and productive 2025 and I wish you continued growth, happiness and success in 2026. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon.